Just doing a run up, finalizing the annual, checking everything out, taxiing around the airport. He likes to watch all my videos on my airplane. Look down here, everything looks fine. The alternator breaker was off, so we were getting a discharge, but now it's back in. Everything looks to be working right. That's a newer Aspen. My last one took a crap. So we're just going for a drive down the taxiway here. Yeah. Damn it, Mark. That's like doing a dyno run on my Jaguar. You're pushing it to the limit. Okay, going back to Falcon. I got stuff like this though. See all these greasy handprints? Greasy ass handprints. So see, like right here, this baffle?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they tuck right up in there.
Oh, in between?
Yeah.
I see.
These baffles are real finicky. They've got to be just right because they sit flat when this thing closes. Otherwise, it'll be a heat monster.